poor, and black. To be young, poor, and black. Oh, what a difficult thing. To be young, poor, and black. Open your heart to what we mean. To be young, poor, and black. Oh, what a difficult thing. To be young, poor, and black. Open your heart to what we mean. Justice is expensive. When you can barely make ends meet, when you must choose between a light bill and mouths to feed, there is no budget item for justice.
Justice writes you a check on the first of the month that it can't cash. Justice isn't really for you. It's as if the Statue of Liberty says,
give me your well-rested, your rich, your huddled masses already free.
But justice ain't free. It's for sale to the highest bidder. It's a race where there is always and only one winner. It's a crime to not have a dime, to not wear the privilege of cash and connections, to realize that advocacy is a luxury you could never afford.
To be young, poor, and black. Oh, what a difficult thing. To be young, poor, and black. Open your heart to what we mean. Black youth are born into stereotype, carrying the weight and bias of race on kindergarten shoulders.
Will not be seen through the lens of innocence, but for propensity to do crime, classrooms to prepare them to do time, labeled
too assertive, too aggressive, too strong, too rough. First grade is too young to wear the label thug, to be seen through criminal eyes instead of seen as disadvantaged or disenfranchised.
Fifth grade is too young to fit the profile, to already be the no-name suspect they are looking for.
Your trip to the convenience store is not safe.
Your summer robbed of its carefree pool party.
What should be your innocent water gun fund is immediately pursued as gang violence. There is no way to prosecute those who have stolen your childhood from you,
who have tried you in their own minds, internal and biased jury, not only as an adult but as a criminal.
They will do no time, will not complete forced community service or pay any fine. To be young, poor, and black. Oh, what a difficult thing to be young, poor, and black. Open your heart to what we mean.
How does it feel to know people aren't happy about you being free? Maybe it's because you never were intended to be. That's why you're criminalized for your very livelihood, from the places you show up in, from school, church, to neighborhood.
How do you show up and move